If you're buying or selling a home, you know I'm going to tell you, you have to go to those Callaways because they will take care of you. And of course, we have back with us today Kelly Callaway to tell us about another amazing home.
I do have one. This one should check off everything on your list.
Really?
It's on over an acre. It's 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3,562 square feet.
Wow.
Absolutely beautiful home with a 4-car garage.
Wow.
One of the things I like is the garage is a side entry, so you know all you see is the beautiful front of the home.
Oh yeah.
But it was a custom construction in 2008.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Eat-in kitchen with a big breakfast room. Master suite has a private exit, and all the rooms in this house are really nice size, but the kitchen is for a chef.
Really?
It is absolutely extraordinary.
Oh, it sounds
big
gorgeous.
Pool, views forever. If you want it, this home has it.
Okay, and this means that this home is going to go fast. What's the price?
This price is only $699,900.
Okay, it's going to go really fast.
It is.
Okay, of course, as I've always said, call quickly, go see this house. Otherwise, you're just going to have to set them up in something else.
We certainly will.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.